Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing a personal hack that worked for me during my lowest phase of fighting borderline depression and saved me from long-term medication. Before that, for those of you who are new here, I am Sneha, and on this channel we explore various aspects of mindful living, social emotional learning, and I help you to go from mindful to mindful living. I have always been a planner. Everything is in its place and as organized as possible. And I always wished that I could do the same with my mind, to organize the thoughts into different compartments and access them as and when I require them. But that's not always possible with a complex entity such as the mind. A few years ago, when I was going through a grieving process and having a hard time fighting borderline depression, I realized that I was all over the place and I didn't know what to do with myself. So I tried pushing myself every now and then, and I kept doing things that with a hope to seek some normalcy and happiness for myself. While I kept doing things, sometimes even like a maniac, because I was afraid to be attacked by the thoughts of depression, I realized that it was difficult for me to remember which things make me feel normal or make me feel happy when I am at my lowest. At times, even if I wanted to feel happy and normal, my brain and mind was so occupied in the thoughts of depression that I could barely think about what to do. And whenever that continued for a long time, it only meant that I had to put in a lot of effort to pull myself back from that pit hole. That's when I started making an emergency kit for my mental body, much like we make a first aid kit for our physical body. I made a mental survival kit that contains list of things that help me nourish my mind, list of people who empower me, uplift me, make me happy, or just hold a non-judgmental space for me, and list of places that ground me. Basically, it's a kit which will help you to recover faster whenever you are at your lowest. And even if you forget or cannot think of what to do when you're at your lowest, this kit will be your pick-me-up companion. Here's a list of few of the things that I added in my mental survival kit, and I will be adding the link to my mental survival kit and some of the products as well. One is the mandala coloring book. Next is the fluid art kit. I don't have the kit because I've made this fluid art. I don't know if you can see it. Then of course there's journaling, to pen down, to write down my thoughts. Then I have a body massager. I have a head massager. I have some feel-good books. I have some games book, some activity kit like the embroidery kit. I have a scented candle. Then there's yoga mat, yoga blocks. And of course, there's a music playlist, a list of songs and music that instantly uplifts me. So now whenever I don't feel good, I just open my magical mental survival kit. Also in my mindfulness sessions with kids, we call this happiness kit or happiness menu, and the kids absolutely love it. And the best part is that they even remember when to use it and how to use it, and the parents have thanked me for it. Share in the comments section below what will you be adding in your mental survival kit. Maybe it can help the ones who are watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Also share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. I'd love to hear them. And if you want to see more of the BTS content, go follow me on Instagram.